Hello everyone. Do you know the correct uses of the phrases in mind and on mind? Well, if you know them, that's great, you know them. If you don't know, no worries at all. Just keep watching this video till the end. Because in this video, I'm going to explain the correct uses of the phrases in mind and on mind. A lot of people use these phrases interchangeably in their English conversations, which is incorrect because both the phrases mean different things, which means that they have different meanings. And that's the reason I'm gonna explain the correct uses of these phrases in today's video. So let's dive into the lesson. First, we will look at the phrase in mind. Well, the phrase in mind is referred to thoughts, opinions, ideas, plans, and imagination. It is also referred to remembering something. For example, do you have a restaurant in mind? So it is possible that there is a group of friends who are planning to go out for lunch or dinner, and then they are just asking about each other's thoughts or opinions about a place to have a meal there. And in that case, they are referring to thoughts or opinions, right? So the phrase in mind is being referred to a thought in this particular context. Second example, I have a very beautiful pair of shoes in mind that I am going to buy. Now, in this case, I am referring to an idea or a thought about a beautiful pair of shoes that I want to buy. So, this is how you use the phrase in mind. One more example, don't forget what I told you. Keep it in mind. Well, this is a very commonly spoken English sentence. Many people say, keep it in mind. You must have heard this before. What does it mean? It means that to remember something. So, keep it in mind means to remember. And as I told you earlier, you use the phrase in mind to refer to remembering something. Alright, so this is how you use the phrase in mind. I hope you understood this phrase. Now, let's move on to another phrase, that is on mind. Well, when do we use the phrase on mind? So, the phrase on mind is referred to preoccupied thoughts, concerns, or a burden. So, when something is bothering you or concerning you, or if your thoughts are preoccupied with something and you are not able to focus on anything else, in that case, you can use the phrase on mind. We will look at a few examples. The very first example is, she has her business loss on her mind. What does it mean? It means that her business loss is bothering her, or her thoughts are preoccupied with her business loss, due to which maybe she is not able to focus on anything. That is possible, right? Second example, Rohan is distracted because his failure is on his mind. It means that Rohan's failure is bothering him or concerning him, or his thoughts are just preoccupied with his failure, due to which he might be disturbed or something else. So this is the proper way to use the phrase on mind. Alright, let's move on to the third example. Please don't bother me, I already have a lot on my mind. Please don't bother me, I already have a lot on my mind. It means that please stop bothering me, I already have a lot on my mind. It means my thoughts are already preoccupied with something, or I am already worried about something, or I am thinking something frequently. I am thinking about something frequently. That's the reason I am not expecting any more disturbance now. So this is the proper way to use the phrase on mind. I hope you understood this. So let me tell you, let me repeat, when you use the phrase in mind and on mind, the phrase in mind is referred to thoughts, opinions, ideas, plans, and imagination, or it is also referred to remembering something. And the phrase on mind is used to talk about preoccupied thoughts, concerns, or a burden, when you are feeling something like a burden. Alright. I have a sentence for you to check your understanding about these two phrases. The sentence is, I had your advice, blank space, when I made my decision. I had your advice, blank space, when I made my decision. So on mind or in mind, what are you going to fill in the blank? Well, so you will have to fill in the blank. Write down the correct answer in the comment section below, whether it is on mind or in mind, and I will reply your comment mentioning whether your answer is correct or incorrect. So that's all for today. We'll stop here and see you in my next video. Thank you so much.